actually both of these solos. Okay, that means these two get the chance to show us just how blooming talented you are. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to send you away, Jasmine, if you want to head off the stage for me. Thank you very much indeed. And Alexis, you're at first. If you want to get yourself into position, you know you can do this. Remember, after taking it into account, everything they've seen from each contestant in the competition, along with tonight's solos and routines, the judges must have one girl and one guy at the end of the show. Okay, so let's start the solos. You ready, my lovely? Good luck. First up, Alexis. Thanks, Alexis. Okay, on comes Jasmine. Next on stage to show you what she's all about in her own style. Ladies and gentlemen,
La petite Camille.
Jasmine.
Ouais.